When I first dipped my toes into freelancing, I thought getting clients would be easy. Just sign up on a platform, write a catchy bio, and wait for the orders to roll in. Spoiler alert, that didn't happen. And looking back, I realize I made so many rookie mistakes that almost made me quit freelancing altogether. One big mistake was saying yes to every job, even the ones I wasn't good at. I thought more jobs meant more money. But all that did was burn me out and leave clients unsatisfied. Then I started specializing. My life got so much easier, and so did finding clients. Another huge mistake was undercharging. I thought I needed low prices to get hired. Sure, I got hired. But for nightmare clients who demanded free revisions and wanted top quality work for pennies, that drained my motivation fast. I also wasted tons of time applying to dozens of jobs daily without a standout portfolio. No samples, no case studies, just generic cover letters. Clients ignored me because I wasn't showing proof of what I could actually do. And here's a mistake that almost cost me everything: ignoring contracts. I trusted everyone at first, which led to unpaid work and ghost clients. I learned the hard way: always get clear terms in writing. If you're new to freelancing or thinking about going freelance, please don't repeat these mistakes. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what not to do and what to do instead. From picking your niche, setting your rates, showcasing your work, to protecting yourself legally. So stick around. This is your roadmap to success in freelancing. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to launch your freelance career without all the trial and error I went through. I'll show you how to avoid the common pitfalls that trip up new freelancers, and how to hit the ground running with a strategy that actually works. Let's dive in.